Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making some yummy gooey Nutella cookies. It's my first time making it, so I hope it turns out well. So the first step is that we've put some Nutella in this piping bag and we're going to make little balls on this tray over here. And then afterwards we're going to freeze them. So I'm going to squirt some balls. Squirt the last one. And there. Alright, we finished making the Nutella balls and now we're going to freeze them in the freezer. Okay guys, the Nutella balls are now freezing in the freezer, and in the meantime while they freeze we're going to be making the cookie dough. So we have some unsalted melted butter here, and we're going to add some brown sugar in there. Oops. And some white sugar. And I'm going to mix it. Till it's fully mixed. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Alright. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna mix it again. You have to mix it until it's fully mixed in. Alright, this should be mixed perfectly now. And we're going to add it in some plain flour with some baking soda and some salt in it. I've just poured the mixture in and I'm going to give it a good mix. As you keep mixing, it starts to get harder. You can even use a blender to mix this up. I think this should be all good. And we're going to add some chocolate chips in it. So I have a pack of chocolate chips here and I'm going to pour it in. Now we're going to mix it in with this. Now we're going to chill this mixture in the fridge. Alright guys, the dough's pretty much chilled now. So we're going to make them into little balls and put the little Nutella balls inside the cookie dough. And then afterwards we'll put them in the oven. The oven's preheating right now. So we're going to get started now. Alright, so it's flat here. Now let's get the Nutella ball. Put it inside. Oops. And cover it up. Cover it up with the dough like this. In a little bowl so it stays nice. And put them. We're going to make really big cookies. I'll get these little frozen Nutella. Got another one. Okay, and put it in. They're starting to melt, so we're going to do it quick. Make it into a little ball. Make sure it's nice. And make sure they're spread out because they're gonna spread like that. Okay, get the cookie. Sanitize the melting. The chips are going to get mixed with the Nutella. I hope it tastes good. Spread up. There we go. Another one. Alright guys, we've made the cookie balls and now we're going to put them in the oven. Look, the cookies are in the oven. Look guys, the cookies are ready. They look pretty good. Now I'm gonna eat one. Now I'm gonna break it into half. Look at guys, Nutella. I'm gonna try it. It's very good. Still a bit hot though. Let me know how your cookie tastes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!